Alright everybody, so as I've said before, when I start making more money from YouTube than trading, I will do longer videos. But for now, I'm going to give you the tickers. You can do your own due diligence. I am not your financial advisor. Nothing here is the recommendations to buy or sell. This is what I am watching. These are my longs. So what that means is, I'm not going to buy if the stock is going down. Right? There's no chance to go long unless I want to pay more for something that's going down. So these are what I am watching. Alright, so let's get into today's watches. MITT. I took a position in this yesterday. I'm probably going to make a short squeeze video of this because the short got blown up yesterday. It was pretty funny. ZSAN, I have a position in here. This is going to be an interesting video. I'm going to do the scaling video based on ZSAN. Trust me, I am not underwater. IQST, this company I think has some value, but it's selling off right now. As you guys see, I have an alert. This is probably where I'm going to start looking for a spot to buy. ADES, we're going to look for something to get above 605, and we're going to see if we can come all the way to 664. That would be great. SRTS, we're going to look and see if we can get above the 5s. Well, bid-ask spread's kind of bit much, but we'll see. And we're going to target 609. HGBL, let's see. We played HGBL last week. I did fairly well, so we're going to see if this can come through. EVFM, same deal. We're going to try to get back through this range. I like EVFM a lot today. Hopefully she doesn't gap on us, because gaps are bad for a lot of reasons. And then AGFS. Alright, that's it. Go trade, make money.